So one of the other questions I had before, how long do Mounjaro side effects last? So we've touched on this. So the side effects of Mounjaro tend to be gut related. The vast majority of them do. So again, that can be feeling a bit bloated at first. It can be being a bit more gassy. So maybe belching a little bit more, maybe a bit of indigestion, maybe sometimes people can get a little bit constipated. Sometimes people can get a little bit loose with their stools. Now, some people get some side effects, others don't. With all medications, some people tolerate it really well, and there's others that it isn't suitable for. So again, once you start the medication, you should always, as with any, just see how you feel, and if you're a patient of ours, let us know if you're experiencing something you're not sure of. Usually, again, with new medication, it's usually transient, and it's usually in the first week or so that you experience these. We tend to find with the injections that it's within 48 hours of taking the injection that patients notice any side effects that they may or may not experience, and they usually last for a day or so. That tends to happen each time you go up in dose, and or each you might find that if you're somebody that maybe it gives you a bit of indigestion, each time you take the same dose over that period of 4 weeks, you might find that actually you don't get as much indigestion, and then actually it's gone. And then when you go up in dose, it came back a little bit, but then over those 4 weeks it goes. So there could be, it might peak a little bit at times, but as long as it's not a side effect that's causing you disruption in your ability to function each day, it's not significant to the point that you can't tolerate it, then you may find you just get it each time you go up in dose for a little bit. But that is just to do with the mechanism of action of the drug. And again, a real reason to be mindful of when you go up in dose, to make sure you're doing it at the right time, so that you're not perpetuating any side effects that you may or may not be experiencing.